Wagwan nation people. I what we see I go on the internet. Wait. A fight, man, them start fight already and I don't have a sting yet. Wait. Are so much people are worry and fret. But I ask you something. I know Brysco that me say. On stage I fling left and right all about. Wait. We're not an artist no more. Alright. Wait. Alright. I no fling stone. I no lassa swing. I no kung fu. I'm a glocka sing. Shatter strike like lightning. We use the jungle escape and snipe him. Watch. Hear me I say right about now. To Brysco and Jashii. Well, we not gonna really blame Jashii because he might perform and I feel him time for perform and Brysco walk on the stage. But here we go on. Jashii, you have to control your team. No gimmicks thing not there about it. I don't have a sting yet I wanna get festive already. Oh no move so. Here we go on. We don't want that a sting in and that is just a highlight for sure if a sting. You have proper security on the stage. No man no belongs on the stage unless him a work. No gimmicks thing no there about it. I let me tell you something. Jashii, I like the way how you execute by delivering your song them on the show. But I tell you, personally, you control your brethren them. No gimmicks thing no there about it. No lollipop thing no there about it. I'm see Jashii big up Skeng and chat a few things where him claim say, well then, yo, him and Skeng are friend. A bloggers a blow up things out of proportion and I put certain things in a people's brain. You see what I say? And that's why you see we keep it real all the time. You see we sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. But does you see where take place when me see we go on first night. You see what I say? Make me know say well then, yo, uno have to make certain say sting. When security up. You see what I deal with? And no man no bomb rush the stage when I work on the stage. Because I no gimmicks thing. You see what I say? Yeah, because I don't know how Brysco run out on the show and nobody no call it. And the worst thing, the man a go like him a Roy Jones Jr. or Sugar Ray Leonard. The amount of combination left and right, him a fling. I say, yo, wait. This is a fighting thing or this is an artist thing? Yo, we get things together, you know. We don't work them way there, you know. No form of physical activity, you know. When you have the mic and big bands there, they are drop big beat for your performing, you know, my brother. We not too into them type of lollipop thing there, you know. So no matter make certain, you know, you work on them thing there, you know, and straighten out them thing there, you know, because it's a nice, epic show where I look for a jam world, you know. We not look for no fight, you know. You hear that? No gimmicks thing no there about that, you know. We not support none of them thing there, you know. You hear me I tell you, no? Yeah. And I see Jashii calm down the crowd still. Mix up a combination of song where him remix the Unruly Boss Popcorn song with theme song and burn down the venue flat. I saw artists so creative. You see what I say? Yeah, I saw artists so creative. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. Well, first day, we see the numbers them drop for Fiscal Line project where him drop what day, yeah? You see what I say? The numbers them drop. And a 600. You see what I deal with? So, me hear some man a run out and I say, well then that's a great look. Fame. Because them claim Say Vibes Cartel, the world boss, Uncle Cell. Uncle Cell 310. So, a fish color in a cell. 600, that's a marvelous look for him. Yo, a regular my sister don't know no sense, you know. You just run up on YouTube, you know, just because you can't use your mouth, you know, and the camera or on, you know. You see what I say? So, what you want to tell me, say? The milestone where an artist have to pass in a dance hall are the numbers where Vibes Cartel sell. You know, see, say, you're a clown. You know, see, say, you're a loser already. You don't know no sense. You know, see that? So Vibes Cartel sell gold. Why you don't never sell gold? Why you don't try to sell gold? You don't want to sell that? Vibes Cartel sell gold, see? Me ask you, so you don't want to sell gold? Why you don't try that? So I'm going to low numbers alone, you don't want to beat. So I'm to the I want them, you don't want the I want them? I'm to the 1800. I'm to the gold record. I'm to them thing there. You don't like it? You don't want them high numbers there? I'm telling you something, man. You know nothing about some clown, man. Born loser, my brother. Listen to the way you want to talk. Listen to the thing that you want to elaborate, man. You see what I say? You're not a joker. You see what I deal with? I'm telling you something. Right now, from the new artists, them forward out, and them thing there, it becomes a living dim light for no artist career, my brother. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. And I like one time when I can do some look of fuckery on the internet and have be people calling up your name and them shit. The first thing them look at you to drop some wicked song and all I drop all dance with them and them shit there. When you come with no fuckery on the internet, people don't ever have no time for soon, my brother. You see what I did? I want to watch Vibes Cartel, a man who in a prison still keep him career relevant. And him don't want hype off. I don't know their road. You know, so you know, do go on with nothing. You know, mash up road and I do more. Skilly Bang show you that, you know. Show you say a lollipop thing on the depot, you know. And sister, you know, lovers of music, you know, lovers of man, you know. Skilly Bang show you that, you know, my brother. Skilly Bang run, gone, you know. Left the whole on, you know. We don't know gimmicks thing, you know, no lollipop thing, you know. Me don't know if you don't see that, you know. So when boy over the area there and them ask if it's fear for say Skilly Bang, bigger alkaline. Without no doubt, my brother. Without no doubt. We not see him on the platform them with Skilly Bang a tear down. We not see him on them type of platform there. So don't even bother talk about it. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. We not see Billboard a give him no song at the summer and them shit there. We not see them thing there. We not see him get more award. You see what I say? We not see him hit the American Billboard chart. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. And we not see him song a play upon all of the big radio stations there inside of America. You know what I mean? We not see that. So that I don't even a joke thing, no gimmicks thing. I just real thing where I represent. You see what I say? For so if a Vibes Cartel you claim say you want what? Or you want build your career, each up your career upon. You see what I say? In a man where they're in a prison, that for sure you say your career now go nowhere. Because Cartel in a prison, but him sang them reach all over the fucking world. You see what I say? You out a road. And you sang them just itch up in a blood clot Jamaica alone. And as far as I'm concerned right now, it look like it lock up all somewhere else right now because the youth them are on the ground in a Jamaica. You not see what I go on? You not see what I go on? You not see where I go on on Bumbucklad stage with Jashii, a performer, and Brysco and Jashii bridging them. You not see what I go on? Without me MGI. Everything interlock. Them arms are make winter hot. Shot pour them up, them think attack. Boy walk and stagger like is a rum drinker that. Like astronaut we send marrow out of space. Boss it. Shoulder slip out of place. Make boy eye drop out of face. Fire shot like we employ them with a mount of chase. We no missing at the eye, we shoot the bull. Head split like melon. Juicy full. May bust it from round the lane, then leak out a pound of brain. It's beautiful. And no kung fu, them no get kicking a eye, shot piercing at them face like when chicken a fry. Run where the fish him a try. Shot tear off him foot clean like chicken a aisle. Sniper rifle jungle no bus while full slide in a blood like peanut aisle. Fi gun them down. 10-star style, my boy left from Mars, head from Venus, side who want violate our links. What? No 10-star in the building. What?